Hi guys, Melanie Wilson here with Psycho with Six. I am a Christian psychologist turned homeschooling mother of six. And I want to talk with you today about how you can save your sanity with the Build Your Bundle sale. If you have any questions at all, I am here to answer them. Even if you are watching the replay, I would love to chat with you about it. But I wanted to kind of give you an overview because this sale is so amazing, but it can be really and truly overwhelming. You can save up to 95% on digital homeschooling resources. Some of the resources are curriculum resources, and my readers tell me that this sale allows them to keep homeschooling within their budget, and they are so thankful for this sale. So if you need curriculum at an incredible bargain price, then you're going to want to shop the Build Your Bundle sale. But there is more than just curriculum in the Build Your Bundle sale. There are also some homemaking resources there. There are parenting resources there. There are resources to help your kids get along. And I hear from so many of you that you need help with that. So this is a fantastic sale. And if you are not accustomed to it, though, it can be a little bit overwhelming. Like you feel like you need to sit down and spend a couple of hours in order to understand it. So I'm going to kind of break it down for you. I'm going to show you what you're looking at when you go to the sale. I have my referral link right there for you in the description of this video. It's psychowith6.com/BYB for Build Your Bundle. Okay, I'm going to flip you around so I can show you what's going on here. Okay, so I am here on the main website, the Build Your Bundle website, and you're going to see I'm actually in the View All Bundles portion. And so there are 20 different bundles, which are pre-packaged resources that will save you the most money. So they tell you there are no duplicates. So it's not like one product is put inside of, 10 different bundles. No, there are over 250 products. Some of these are Kathy Duffy top picks. Kathy Duffy's reviews are renowned for her excellence in kind of doing the difficult work for us. So we have early learning, we have elementary bundles, we have upper grade bundles, which so many of us need, middle and high school resources. And then there are homeschool helps bundles, homemaking, parenting. There are unit studies. I love unit studies and thematic units as well. But then there are build your own options. So let's just take a quick look at these, okay? So here they are laid out for you. So let's go ahead, let's click on this Charlotte Mason bundle as an example. It's 86% off. It's only $49, but it has a value of over $348. So when you click on a particular bundle, it is going to tell you what is in it. These are actually just some of the products, but as you scroll down, you're going to get all the details on what is included. So we have a history curriculum here, Charlotte Mason inspired kindergarten curriculum, Mystery of History, love, love, love Mystery of History. That is a must buy. So there's a folder book pack to go with it. Here's a primary unit program. So you can learn more about the product, each individual product, by clicking on these links. So you have a nature study curriculum here, entomology, that sounds interesting to me. So you have more history curriculum, that this is an audiobook. That is fantastic to have that as a resource. So you can listen in the car. You have some history cursive writing. You have a planner for doing Charlotte Mason studies. You have tea time for Charlotte Mason. So you have poetry, picture study, Shakespeare. Are you starting to see how crazy huge this is? This is one bundle guys, one bundle. So we have some patriotic songs and sayings copywork. That's just another bit that will really help you to make Charlotte Mason work for your family. Here's another, historical biographies. This is so cool. I love biographies. I'm going to have to get that. Okay, so Intro to Shakespeare Level B course. That's fantastic to have that because Shakespeare is a part of Charlotte Mason. Character copywork, artist study, another Charlotte Mason planner. So are you starting to see what you are going to get for just $49, I believe was the total. $49. That is amazing. I mean, you can do your Charlotte Mason homeschooling with these resources. You're set, you're good to go. Okay, but if you, and I really encourage you to start with the bundles. If you have elementary students, check out each of the elementary bundles. If you are looking for, to add more fine arts to your homeschooling, click on that. If you have some brother and sister issues going on in your house, or if you need help with homemaking and you want recipes and that kind of thing, and they have also added blogging resources to that bundle, you'll check it out. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't tell you about the Homeschool Helps bundles. I am in my resources in Homeschool Helps number 2. Homeschool Helps number 2 includes the Organized Homeschool Life. You can see it right there, the front cover of the book that sells for $10. Okay, so if you wanted to go to my website right now and buy the Organized Homeschool Life, you would pay $10 for the digital version of it. But instead, through Build Your Bundle, you can pay just $19 and you're going to get 7 other ebooks, and 5 e-courses. Let's just take a quick look. So Master Books published this on education and God's opinion on education. You're going to get some inspiration in this particular bundle. Confidence building secrets. We need confidence, don't we? Especially when we're starting off in our homeschooling. If you're going to be attending a convention, here is a planner and journal that will make that process so much easier. I'm going to be at another convention this summer, and this would be a fantastic resource for you to use. Simply Homeschool. So you can just get help and advice on simplifying your homeschooling. Loop scheduling. So many people ask me about loop scheduling. They just don't get it. And this is a whole video workshop with templates that will explain how you can use loop scheduling and how it will save your sanity in your homeschool. Homeschool budget transformation. That is fabulous. That is a topic and an area that I focus very, very little on. So you would have all of that right there for you. Homeschooling That Works, a step-by-step guide to creating your homeschool. You have the Essential Year-Round Homeschooling Planner. My Organized Homeschool Life Planner is not for planning your lessons. It's not for that. But this one by Misty Leask is, and it would make an amazing complement to the products that I already have. This is about how to transform your life before breakfast. I am a big believer in that. Flexible homeschool planning. And there I am, the Organized Homeschool Life. Then you have a whole life schooling conference that you can watch all of these videos by fantastic speakers. That is included. You get a student planner, which I also do not provide for you. So there you go. You have everything that you need to be inspired and organized in one $19 bundle. And that isn't even talking about the other Homeschool Helps bundle. This is Homeschool Helps number 2. I have for you another edition that will make this even better. So buy this Homeschool Helps bundle number 2 for your best savings. And then you can go to grammargalaxybooks.com/shop and click on the organized button. And you will find that the Organized Homeschool Life Planner, the digital planner, here it is. Sorry, there it is. It is on sale for just $15 during the bundle sale. So you can get the book, which you need to take advantage of this digital planner. This digital planner will help you to finally get organized this year. It incorporates your organizing tasks into the rest of your life, making it almost impossible to fail. I think you would love it. Okay, so that is a special that is going on this week that is separate from the bundle sale. Okay, going back to the bundles. After you have checked out these individual bundles to make sure that there isn't one of these bundles here that you want to take advantage of, because these are your best buys. Without question, your very best buys to purchase these pre-assembled bundles. I just want to give a little shout out to the mystery bundle. The mystery bundle always rocks, just rocks. You don't know what's in it besides these individual like little hints, but this bundle is fabulous. Just $10, you will not regret it. And I can't tell you what's in it. No, I cannot. So after you've checked out all the individual bundles and made sure that you don't want to buy some of those, you can build your own bundle. So maybe you're like, oh, I don't need all those things, but there are some other things in these bundles that I would really like to have. You can click right here on build your own bundle. So you can pick your own 5 products that are valued at $19.99 and under, and that would be $25 for those 5 products. You can choose 10 products for $39 if those products are $19.99 and under. That's their original retail value. Or you can choose 5 for $39, and those products can be priced up to $175 each. So there's no limit on how much you can spend. How much the value is of those. There are also some online courses and memberships that you would definitely want to check out and take advantage of because they're up to 70% off. But when it comes to building your own bundle, how on earth are you supposed to figure out what you want to choose? And that is where this build your bundle shopping list that has been created for you, it comes into play. So these are the products that you can use to build your own bundle. And I will put the link to this shopping list that you can use. It is so easy because you can filter and group. So if I want to group, let's say I want to group by level. I want to group by level. So now all of the elementary resources now are all put together. So if I don't have middle school and high school kids, I can just look at all the elementary resources at first, okay? And then you're gonna see that I put over here my top picks. So Grammar Galaxy is not in the Build Your Bundle this year, but if you are interested in finding products that would work with Grammar Galaxy, I have you taken care of. So you can just go right here to the Big Grammar Reference Bundle and click on that, and it will take us right to that particular product. And you can see that product is worth $12.99. So that would fit with the cheaper bundle that you could put together. It has 42 grammar posters. This would be a fantastic add-on to Grammar Galaxy, and it would be something that you might want to add to a build your own bundle. So if we go back to our shopping list here, I might say, oh, okay, so the student that I would want to add, I can add that student's name. And if this is all just like freaking you out, like, so I could say, oh, okay, I want to put this on my wish list. So that's how I would do that. And then I can come back and maybe I have 7 things that I want to create a bundle from. then I could go back and go, okay, well, I'm going to remove that one or remove that one, or I'm going to go ahead and buy 10 things and I'll switch to that different individual bundle. Okay. I am going to give you the link to this shopping list that you can use with the Build Your Bundle. It is so helpful instead of just trying to go through each and every product here and not know what the products actually are and who they're for, what the topics are. Using this shopping list will make a world of difference for you. So we have the subject, the format of it, the worldview of it, and who the publisher is of it as well. Okay, so that is going to be all from me for today on how to shop the Build Your Bundle sale. If you have any questions at all, please comment and I would be happy to help you find the products and resources that would be most helpful for you. But don't wait too long. I'm telling you, even with this fantastic shopping list that I'm giving you, it can take some time to determine how to spend your dollars wisely with everything that, all the needs that you have for this upcoming year, this upcoming school year. And so you're gonna wanna start now. Start going through and making some decisions about what would be best for you. These are all digital resources. And in the comments, I'm also going to give you the link to an article and a podcast that I did about using digital resources in your homeschool and how easy and economical it is, okay? Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great time shopping the sale.